Hey, good morning, everyone. Just wanted to follow up from last week's 1 Minute Wednesday where we discussed digital scanners. So what do we do with those? So digital scanning has taken the place of the alginate, or kind of like the goopy impressions that we used to take, and I think everybody's a big fan that those have gone away, both the patients and us. So what does that mean? So instead of taking the impression and having, having something in the patient's mouth that needs to be transferred to a lab, and then it needs to be poured up in plaster and then worked with from there, our labs, which used to be called like kind of wet labs, where we kind of trim plaster and have, this kind of dusty material everywhere, the labs have turned into like a digital lab. And so what that means is we take the files from the scan and we import it into our computer right there, and we can work with the patient's teeth in software, and then from the software we can transfer it and make 3D printed models on our 3D printers. So we have two 3D printers. They're these Sprint Rays. They are dental specifics. Some people do 3D printing at dental offices, but they're not dental specific. They're just kind of hobbyist 3D printers. So these are dental specific 3D printers. So we have two here, two at our other office. We're in St. Charles right now. We have a Creve Coeur office too that has the same setup. We have our kind of like model cleaner that we can do the models. Then we can go ahead and fabricate retainers, aligners, braces, kind of template setups, things like that. But it just makes the whole process a lot more clean, easier for the patient, more precise, and we have a lot more applications that we can do because of that digital technology. So just a little insight into what we do kind of behind the scenes. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.